Well, another night over and done with, and it's a different feeling than I thought I was going to have tonight. Yesterday, when I said I was going to win 3-2, I was being very, very cocky with myself. Um, I thought I was going to lose 2-3, to tell you the truth. But it turned out that I actually did win the night very convincingly as well. First match was a singles match, and it was a good match, good high flying match, and loads of reversals. The only problem there was that wee scumbag, R-Truth, got involved in my match again. R-Truth, I don't forget these things. I'm going to beat the holy crap out of you next time we're in the match together. Hopefully somebody picks, because I'm going to beat you and beat you and beat you to your bloodied. But he screwed me once when I had submission on John Morrison tapped out, but he was not lucky the second time. It was a good first match between me and Paul. The second match this evening was the Extreme Rules match, which wasn't extreme in the slightest. There was no weapons used in that whole match. It was actually quite boring as it was for an outsider looking at the match, but I was able to get the victory up there as well. The third match of the evening was the ladder match, and I don't know whether there was some confusion in the match or not, because I'm not too sure if there's different buttons for the PS3 compared to the Xbox. But Paul didn't seem to be able to get the title down, or didn't seem to stop me from doing it and was pushing the ladder or such. Um, but I managed to win that there. I was up the ladder a few times, pulling the title down, and I thought that I was going to get it, but then I said I didn't. And I was thinking, seeing I've done all this work, I bet you Paul just goes up once and gets it. But surprisingly, he didn't, and was able to win the match. So was after pushing him off the top of the ladder. The next match was the Hell in the Cell match. Yes, I was the Hell in the Cell. I had a double think myself there. Um, it was an interesting match. Nothing really happened, outside the ring, and nothing didn't even escape the Hell in a Cell. It was mostly all inside the ring, and after a while, there was able to defeat Paul, so it wasn't collect the next victory. The final match was the Hell in the Cell, or sorry, the Elimination Chamber. It was another good wee match. I came out third, if I remember correctly, and usually the way it works in those kind of matches, like whoever I'm playing seems to always help me eliminate everybody else, and go on 1-on-1 at the end of the match. Well, we just started beating the crap out of each other as soon as we came in together, and the computers eliminated each other. And a bit of sneaky tactics we made at the end by stopping the referee, taking him out, and then basically taking Paul's card out, and then leaving me in up on the computers. And that was an easy enough victory at the end, beating Goldust. All I do is hit a finish, and that was it over. Overall, it was a very good night, very enjoyable. Probably wasn't in the best of shape beforehand to play that game, but even was Paul the other day after a crazy ladder match that he had, the TLC match he had. But overall, very enjoyable. Good victory, another whitewash. That's two 5-0s I've had so far. So I'm looking forward to the next challenger. It's a shame that there wasn't as many challengers this weekend as I expected to be, but we've got another 8 days left of this challenge. So hopefully somebody out there will challenge me to this, and maybe make it a bit more challenging for me.